Hi there, magicians! Did you know that a lot of people think that I'm just a crazy nut who does creative work in the classroom, and they're absolutely sure that this is not helpful in the exam at all? Do you know that for the CBSE, I won an award for best results in grade 10, and that year's results are still unbeatable in that particular school. I have taught examination classes till grade 12 and my students have done well year after year. For me, creativity is not just activities or doing art or music in the class. Creativity includes examination skill. So here is what I always did, which helped me and students do well in the examinations, which is I used past year's papers questions in the classes. But this wasn't done just when the syllabus was over. This was done the whole year, which means every chapter's worksheet had an examination problem. Every classwork of a particular chapter included at least one exam problem. Every homework included an exam problem. Every test, formative or summative, included the exam problem. And of course, at the end of the year, they solved endless examination problems with a proper paper set within the time limit. So they were doing the exam problems right from the beginning. What's the use of it? They understood what is the benchmark. They understood this is the level of questions we should know of. So the smart ones did one level higher. The ones who were not very interested said, okay, if I can solve basic exam problems, I'm fine with it. The moment we have a goal, we have a very clear focus. This is where we need to go. The second advantage was every time I gave them an exam problem, I did a little bit of a drama. I told them, this is from an examination paper of 2007 or 8 and let's see if you can solve it. So when students solved it, they were like, wow, I can do the exam problem. That means I'm good in maths. And that's the feeling we want them to have. I'm good in maths. I can do it. And I did it using the examination problems. So by the time a grade 10 student ended his year, he had done the examination problems of the past 5 years through the year. He knew what comes in the exam. He knew what's the benchmark. He knew how much time he needs to use for various kind of questions. So this is how we prepared for the exam. And doing the exam problems over and over again and informing them that these are from the examination is the real key to making them feel confident about themselves. Try it, hunt for past year papers, proper papers or sample papers or papers from another schools and just include them in your day-to-day mathematics problem solving. Thank you for listening to us and happy teaching to all of you from Humanemaths.